Reggae Boyz prepare for yet another do-or-die fixture against Honduras in Honduras. The space is being dominated by the apportioning of blame for the quagmire we found ourselves in. Most people taking the simple route of blaming Coach Tappa Whitmore. Fire Tappa! Get a good coach on Jamaica Ghana World Cup. Me don't know about that. Of course, Tappa do a bag of foolishness and must get some of the beating. But other parties, including the JFF leadership, must take a big portion of the flagging. Their blatant and vulgar incompetence in dealing with details passed off as miscommunication, and for sowing the seeds of division, so ravaging the team, and then packing up the charter flight with friends and cumulus. And the list goes on and on. But people don't seem to understand how difficult it is to manage and execute a World Cup qualifying campaign. It's a massive corporate, financial, and logistical undertaking. It's an extensive people management operation in terms of football. And not just pick up some baller from east and west and then put on the Jamaica jersey and go run up and down. It's a process that must be meticulously executed over time. But all the requisite support systems needed to facilitate that process can only be provided by competent leadership. And therein lies our problem.